Hey, what's going on? I'm going to give you guys a quick video on how to reset your service interval. A lot of other videos on YouTube have shown going into setup or my vehicle or whatever, talking about a cluster option that's not available on this version of my Genesis, I guess. I don't know. Not really too sure, but anywho, after troubleshooting a bunch and playing with it and figuring it out, the car can be on, or you can have it in the ignition on, whatever, but I've tested it in both and it does work. Scroll using this button. Let's see. Using this button right here to the gear, and then scroll down to service interval, press OK, and then simply just press and hold the OK button, and it'll ask you if you'd like to reset the time and distance. I've already done it, so I'm gonna press no, but obviously you would press yes. Thanks.